I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Divi. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Groundhogg. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get the public key and token, few steps. First, go to the Groundhogg setting. Then click on API. Select a user. Click on Generate New API Key. Copy the public key and token and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Contact. Now do the field mapping. Also, you can add meta field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Groundhogg. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now navigate to the Groundhogg. Then Contacts. Here is the data that came into Groundhogg through the integration. Thanks for watching.